I wasn't playing when I said I was a rich bitch. Oh, what she saying? Money too loud, ho, I missed it. You ain't got no bag, feeding my ass, bitch, don't play.
Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emerald and I make all types of videos including DIYs. I have a whole playlist of all the DIY videos that I have created. So if you have a small business or if you love making things at home, you can check that out. In today's video, I'm making my eyebrow and eyelash serum. It is a rose herbal serum, you guys, and my serum is way different from everyone else's because I take the time out and I infuse, my oil in herbs. You can use calendula, calamine, lavender, roses, jasmine. You could go so far with making DIYs. I do have all my DIY recipes available for purchase. I do sell my recipes now because all my DIY videos get the most views on YouTube and I get a lot of emails asking for my recipes, so I do sell them now. So I will not be sharing my measurements, but this is really easy for you to make at home or for your business. You just have to research what oils are great for, eyebrow growth, hair growth. I don't use like coconut oil and much of olive oil because they are comedemic oils. So yeah, my ebook, I have an ebook with all my recipes, and then I have just the recipes by themselves. So you can purchase my ebook or recipes individually, or you can try my products on my website if you will. But I do take my time with my DIYs. I currently remade all my products and I do have new recipes, including my old recipes, why I chose certain oils, their rating on the comedemic and absorption scale. I am currently an esthetician student as well, so you guys know that I'm really into skincare, you guys. My turmeric soap, if you ever purchase from my business, I'm always out of turmeric soap and my hair oil, you guys. And I cleared my own skin with my own products, you guys. I've been getting like people emailing me for sponsored content and if they could use my pictures. But you guys, I cleared my own skin with my own products. Yes, I do still use Kiehl's products. If you have saw, my skincare video, I do use those products here and there because I did purchase them, but I mainly use my turmeric soap daily and my camel rose oil. And I do have an upcoming facial video, my new updated skincare routine for you guys. I have a video. If it's not up already, I'll link it, but I have a new one coming up. But after I pretty much strain my oils, that's what I'm doing right here. You want to make sure that the oils that you infuse, make sure they are cool before transferring them into the oils that's in this cup because they are heat sensitive. Like I said, I don't use, cheap oils. I use high quality oils and they are sensitive. So yeah, you guys, I didn't show me stuffing my roses into the containers because it is, a tedious process. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comment section what videos you guys want me to make as far as DIYs. I do usually give those away here on my channel, or I give them away in my orders. So if you have any ideas that you want me to do, just let me know down in the comment section. And if you have any questions outside of my measurements and what oils I'm using, I'm here to, answer them for you guys. But I'm going to let you guys watch the video. If you made it this far into the video, leave me a rose emoji in the comment section, you guys, so I know that you're tuned in. And usually when I make my eyebrow serum, I usually use a syringe, but in this video I'm using the little funnels that came with my containers, you guys, because it was just easier to do that instead of wasting, a whole syringe. So that's what I did. You want to fill the oil below the fill line, because you guys will see in the video that I did struggle and had to pour some out because it's hard to record and, you know, make products at the same time. But I'm not going to talk throughout this video, you guys. My measurements are available for purchase. On my turmeric scrub videos, I always get hate comments like, why you make this video if you're not going to share your recipe, blah, blah, blah. But everybody have a skincare video, you guys. Well, a skincare business, and I'm not going to give away my exact measurements and recipes because everyone make products different. I don't just slap coconut oil into my products and bottles and sell it. I don't do that, you guys. So I do sell my recipes, so if you want it, you can purchase it on my website, but I do not share my measurements. So yeah, you guys. Plus, if you have a business, you want to do your research anyway. You don't want to just be selling other people's stuff, because all in all, my recipes, they're tailored to my skin and my skin needs, and you know, people love my results. That's why they try my products out. But everything doesn't work for everyone, you know. So as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, you have to see what not only works for you, but see what works for other people. Because when I did first start making turmeric soap, it wasn't the perfect soap. It was not. So yeah, you guys, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all so much for the support, and I'll see you guys in my next DIY video or whatever videos that I come out with. I do have some DIY videos coming out. I have about 4 after this one, so make sure you're subscribing for more videos.
Flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little skinny little bitty.